Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Shots in the Dark by Iann Dior. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of a single riff. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, this entire song is made up of a single riff. So to start, you're going to bar the D, G, B, and high E strings on the 4th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to hammer on to the 6th fret of the G string with your ring finger. Then you're going to pluck the D string again. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string and leave your other fingers where they are, and you're going to strum the G and B strings at the same time. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B string and leave your other fingers where they are and strum the G and B strings again. Then we're going to go to a add 9 chord. So for this, you're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string, your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the high E string, and you're going to strum from the D string, then pluck the D string, then strum all 4 strings again. Then we're going to go to an E5 chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the B string. And you're going to strum that once, and you're going to slide up to a G flat 5 chord, which is the same shape moved up 2 frets. So like this. Then we're going to go to an E major chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 9th fret. You're going to strum that once. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the B string and leave your other fingers where they are and strum it again. Then we're going to go to a D major chord. So you're just going to take the E major chord and move it down 2 frets, and you're going to strum that from the A string. Then pick the A string, then strum the D major chord again. Then you're going to do that whole thing again. Except once you get to this point, you're going to place your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the high E string and leave your other fingers where they are and strum from the A string. And it repeats, and I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Shots in the Dark. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.